Y'all want to know how to make Country Boy seat covers? Well, first, what you gotta do is you gotta grab 3 hoodies. Well, 2, but one's for if you get cold and it's like 30 degrees out. I know some of you that's pretty warm, but first what you do, you put 1 hoodie on. Then you grab 2 more hoodies, matching most likely. I got mine from Goodwill for like $5 a piece. Then you go to your Ranger. You open the door, throw everything you don't want covered in the back seat. Or I mean, no back seat, just the back spot. Then what you do, oops. Then what you do is you grab one of your hoodies, throw the other one on the other seat. Open it up. And stretch it. This is also how you make a medium hoodie an extra large. Oops, just ripped the pocket. Just some more redneckery, I guess. Alright, there's number 1. I'll show you number 2 later. Come around to the steering, driver's side. Do the same thing. You can't see me because my steering wheel. Which is not a camo one. I have a camo one in my Canyon, but I'm gonna sell that with the Canyon because it's so old and grimy. I don't want to peel it off because it'll break once I do that. This is a trick for the just the 2 seats, not the middle right here, because I don't have a small a hoodie that small because I don't have any kids. But if I had kids, I'd probably have a hoodie that small, and then I could have all 3. But it's a really easy way to put real tree seat covers on your seats. Boom, see how good that looks? It's like a 2-minute thing for both hoodies. Here's the driver's seat, passenger seat.